My brother one year wanted to be a dead zebra.
A dead zebra? Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Tuesdays. I'm Joe Muruzzi and today we are going to be doing a Halloween special. It's going to be double delicious, double easy to make, and it's going to look absolutely incredible. Today I've got Frankie Essex helping me out to create this masterpiece. You're going to a party, so you need something to take place.
Yeah, Halloween party.
What's your cheesecake skills like? Have you ever made a cheesecake before?
Never in my life have I made cheesecake, ever. Right,
today is the day. Honestly, it's going to be so simple.
Okay.
We're going to start with our base. So we've got an Oreo base.
Beautiful.
We've got 400 grams of Oreo cookies. I've just ground these up in a food processor.
That's a lot of Oreo.
That is a lot of Oreo, but it's going to create the structure to our cheesecake.
Okay.
To that, we're going to add 60 grams of salted butter.
Oh, that's butter. I thought that was egg.
No, not egg. No eggs or gelatin in our cake.
Oh, straight in?
Straight in. Grab a little spatula and just coat all the biscuits with the butter. Make sure all the biscuits are coated.
So is, like all the measurements, you need to have it all perfect?
You've got to have the right measurements. So this is going to be probably about a 10 to 12 server,
Okay.
portion-wise.
Actually, did nearly eat a whole cheesecake to myself once.
Well, you could eat one of this size, yeah?
It was pretty big.
This is a hefty old cheesecake, honestly. And we're topping it with all sorts. So this is, the butter's going to hold the biscuit basically in place. It's going to be the glue to our...
Right. Oh, that's why you do it?
Yeah.
Right.
Once that's coated,
Going everywhere.
how's that looking? All coated, yeah?
Not as good as yours.
We ain't finished yet. Just needs like, a little bit shiny like that, yeah?
Yeah, near enough. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All you're going to do now is pour that into, we've got an 8-inch springform tin, so it's got a loose bottom base. It's going to help us get it out at the end of the freezing process. All you're going to do is just going to pour that in the tin, like so. And I've got a little meat stamper here, which is perfect for making cheesecake bases.
Oh, you stamp it down.
This is where everyone falls down.
God, it's heavy, isn't it?
It is, you need a little bit of weight to it.
This is what you need, Nan, one of these. My Nan's here, by the way.
Yeah. Just going to turn it each time. Making it nice and level.
How's that looking?
It's looking pretty much exactly the same as mine. Very simple, isn't it? Once you've done that, I'm going to get you, grab a spoon.
Yeah.
We're just going to neaten up the edge, so all you're going to do is put it on its back like that and just whip it around the side.
But you've got to be precise, haven't you?
Yeah, well, this is going to be the one that's sort of showing on the outside, so it's going to look like crisp and perfect, really. Give that a little wipe. Any biscuit on the side, just give it a little wipe off. That's it.
I'm real proud of myself.
Right. Sweet?
Yeah, beautiful.
We're going to whack that in the freezer for about 10 minutes to set now. So for the filling, we have got 1,300 grams of cream cheese. We're going to whack that.
It's just like normal cream cheese?
Yeah, basically. Whack that in a bowl. To that, we are adding 200 grams of caster sugar. Bang it in there. 160 grams of double cream. Pour it all in.
I'm doing this all wrong. How am I doing this wrong?
And we've got in here, a little pot, we've got 35 grams of vanilla bean paste and 10 grams of vanilla essence.
Right.
Just bang it all in.
This is the flavour bit.
This is it, this is the flavour, the vanilla. So it's a simple
So this
flavour.
bit you can flavour with anything then?
Yeah, you can use Nutella or Biscoff or chocolate.
Oh, it smells lovely.
What we're going to do now is going to whack it on here.
Oh yeah, it does it for you.
That's it, don't need to do the hard work. Little button at the back to make sure that's on properly. I'll just go flying. Right, slowly, yeah? You've got a dark top on as well, it's going to go. Right, so that's been on for about, what, a minute and a half, 2 minutes. We're just going to give it a mix, so switch it off. And now all we're going to do is split it into 3. So it doesn't have to be exact. All you're going to do is split the mix into 3 portions. Leave obviously the 3rd portion in the mixing bowl. So, because it's Halloween, we're going to do a little bit of colouring, yeah?
Oh, okay.
So I've got 3 colours here. Orange, black and purple. And you can obviously divide a little dash in there like that.
So 1 orange, 1 purple, 1 black.
Yeah, that's it, exactly that. And then all you're going to do is give it a little mix.
So this is tasteless, isn't it?
This is tasteless, yeah. It's just going to add a little bit of colour for Halloween. So what is this party you've taken us to?
So I'm going to a restaurant in London actually.
What
like
restaurant?
Called Bagatelle.
Oh, I've been there before.
Have you? So yeah, they're doing a Halloween theme. So we're all getting really, really dressed up. I'm going as like a mystical fairy.
Mystical fairy.
And we've got Freddy Krueger going. We've got Harley Quinn, the Joker. Loads of different people.
A big nut, yeah?
Yeah, it will be. My brother one year wanted to be a dead zebra.
A dead zebra?
A
How'd
dead
you do
zebra. Oh, he wanted. He was going to that singer Pixie Lot.
Yeah.
She was having a Halloween party, and he come in with paint, what you paint the walls with, and he went paint me white. I want to be a dead zebra. I just looked at him like, are you off your head?
So, we're going to put these into piping bags now. So the best way to do that is, I've got a little jug.
Always wanted one of these. Do you remember now when I tried to make my own one?
So you're just going to put that inside the jug and just wrap it round
All right.
like that. What you're going to do, just scoop in. You mix like that, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so our base has been in the freezer for about 10 minutes, all nice and set now. We are going to pipe our cheesecakes. We've got it split into 3 piping bags. Grab a pair of scissors and we're just going to cut about 1 inch. Yeah?
Yeah.
Do that for each of them. What's your piping skills like? You have a pipe
I
before?
really don't know.
Right.
I tried to do this once with like a paper bag, with like a plastic bag. It didn't work out.
There is a little bit of a technique to it, but it is simple once you get it. Right, ready?
Let's go.
So we're going to do alternate colours. So just squeeze it like that, and you're going to do. So obviously this inside layer is going to be the what you're going to see on the outside when we take the tin off. So we're going to go like this, and just go like that, yeah. And then the next colour, like that. Next colour.
Oh my goodness.
Like that. Yeah? Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to press it down, but make sure they're alternate colours. Yeah,
It's
that's
really
perfect.
hard.
It's perfect. Just going to work your way around.
That's it.
Right, spatula.
Spatula.
All we're going to do now, obviously you've got these little gaps, we're just going to just go around like that and just make sure there's no gaps basically. See that? Right, this is it, double easy now. So all you're gonna do, you're gonna grab your piping bag.
Yep.
And you're just gonna do. Just random.
Oh, okay, I'll get you on.
Splodges. Right, so once it looks like this or like this, you're gonna whack that in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours to set before we decorate it. Right, cake is out of the tin. It's been freezing for about 2 hours now. And now we're gonna decorate the cake. So we've got all sorts of stuff here. Go mad, basically. So all we're gonna do is just gonna start slotting whatever you want into the cake. No set way.
What's that?
Right, we're going to do some spiderweb. So I've just melted a cupful of marshmallow in the microwave for 20 seconds. It gets really hot, so you've got to let it cool down a little bit before we start working with it. But it goes all elasticated like that.
Spiderwebs.
Right. This gets quite messy now. Right, what we're going to do, put that to one side. Can I have done this?
Yeah.
So just going to get a bit like that.
I'll grab it.
In your hand.
That's cool.
Yeah, just going to keep working it. Just put it around.
That'll do.
Right guys, that is it. Our Halloween cake finished with some marshmallow spiderweb. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Video is going to be coming on this Tuesday. Big up and see you next time.
Bye. Happy Halloween.